What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Happy Wednesday. FOMC meeting today, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Expect volatility for the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the market. So currently we're sitting at 20.5K. We're up 0.15 on the day. Sitting market cap of 392 billion. 24-hour volume, 40.44 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. Make your first trade of at least 100 USD. 10% rebate for my traders only. If you make your first deposit, you email me your sign-up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So here we are on the Forex calendar. At 2 p.m. Eastern Time, we have the FOMC statement. And at 2:30, we have the FOMC press conference. So that is when we will see the volatility step into the market, which is in 2 hours from the recording of this video, currently 12 p.m. here on the East Coast. So we're going to hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we're consolidating within this triangle. So what I'm expecting to happen, most likely what I think is going to happen is the news is going to be released, especially if it's 75 basis points, which is expected, and it's going to do this fake out to the downside, and then it's going to start to push up. That's what I'm predicting. I could be completely wrong. We could fake out to the upside and then come down, or we could just straight drop. But personally, I think it's already priced in. If we get a 75-point rate hike, interest rate hike, that will see a fake out to the downside, and then we will see continuation up. As I've been mentioning, we still have room to come down on this 4 hour bearish divergence. So if we do come down to 19.6 to 19.8, there's strong support in that area. I do think we'll see a bounce off that level, allow the RSI to trend towards oversold and start to push to the upside once again. That's what I'm predicting. Of course, anything could happen. We could break down and, lose this small uptrend that we started here, but I don't think it's the more probable scenario. Now, looking at this chart here, we're just about to print the bullish cross. So if we do fake out to the downside, what we'll do is we'll hold the support of the bullish cross here and see continuation to the upside for the price of BTC. Now, if we were just to pump, let's say we don't even fake out and we just start to pump to the upside, well, you do have a nice bull pennant pattern here on the daily time frame. And that would take Bitcoin all the way up to this resistance here to about 22.8K, which would be extremely juicy in my opinion. Bearish scenario, we break down into this falling wedge. Once again, we see continuation to the downside. But currently, we've broken out of this falling wedge. We're about to have the bullish cross on the daily. So we have multiple bullish signals of continuation to the upside. Now, looking at the DXY, we came up to our 111 resistance we've been covering on the channel here, consistently creating lower highs. We have a high, we have a lower high, we have a lower high. Once again, we have a low, we have a lower low. So as of right now, we're creating lower highs and lower lows, which signifies a reversal in the trend and potentially starting a downtrend, especially if we start to lose this level of support and we fall out of this blue channel, which is what I'm expecting and what I'm hoping for here. Then we'll see a continuation of the rally for the price of Bitcoin. Now, looking at the NDQ 100 index, the US 100 index, we've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders, still looking like it's taking form here in my opinion. So what we want to see is we come up and break this neckline, and that will see a nice rally. The only thing that has me worried here is the Dow Jones. Huge pump over the last few weeks, and we pushed all the way up very close to the top of this channel. We're overbought on the 1 hour, the 4 hour time frame. We're overbought as well. So we could see a reversal here for the Dow Jones. And of course, if the Dow Jones reverses, then the rest of the market, including crypto, will most likely follow. So what I'm hoping here is that the Dow Jones pumps a little bit more and we see a bull trap where we break out of this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern. And we start to push up here and we bull trap and then we come back down. What we'll see with the price of Bitcoin is we'll see a nice rally up to, 24 to 25K. And then potentially come back down once again. We'll have to see how it plays out, but that's what I'm looking at here for the price of Bitcoin. And in the short term, I've just watched this triangle here. Definitely be cautious because we could definitely see a fake out. What I'll wait for is for the price to settle after about an hour, 2 hours after the news is released. Price will settle down and I may start to take some trades here for some altcoins, which I will give signals for in the Discord. Currently I have 4 trades open. Solana, Engine, sand, and mana. All signals that I've given here in the Discord, which is coming in at $10 a month for my trade setups, as well as early access to my analysis. And you can get completely free access to the Discord if you email me your sign up email after you make your first deposit on BitGet. That's pretty much it for this one. Make sure to grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, $10 membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my trade signals. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.